Hey everyone, here's your weekly market recap for April 27th through May 1st, 2026. Let's start with the big story. Stocks are absolutely on fire. The S&P 500 and the Nasdaq just hit all-time record highs, with the Nasdaq blowing past 25,000 for the first time ever. That's 6 straight weeks of gains, something we haven't seen since late 2024. If you're holding tech stocks right now, you're probably smiling. So, what's driving this runaway rally? The answer is earnings. Companies are crushing it, especially in tech and AI. Companies like Apple and Atlassian posted huge numbers, and over 80% of S&P 500 companies beat analyst expectations. We're talking about almost 28% earnings growth year over year. That's wild. No wonder the market's so bullish. Not everything was smooth sailing, though. The Federal Reserve kept interest rates steady in that 3.5 to 3.75% range. They didn't hike or cut, which Wall Street loves. Stability makes stocks happy. But inflation is still lurking, mostly thanks to rising oil prices and the usual geopolitical drama in the Middle East. So, the market's hot, but not risk-free. Now, shifting gears to crypto. Bitcoin had a bit of a roller coaster week. Early on, it dipped to around $76,000 before bouncing back to test the big $80,000 resistance. Ethereum moved mostly sideways, hanging out in the $2,200 to $2,300 range. Here's the thing. Bitcoin keeps getting stuck between its 74K support and that 80K ceiling. We call this a range-bound market. Lots of back and forth, but no clear breakout yet. If you're waiting for fireworks, you need to see Bitcoin close above 80K with conviction. What's moving the crypto space right now? For one, regulation. Positive steps on the US Clarity Act gave the market a little boost. Institutions love that kind of certainty. But there's push and pull. Big players are buying dips, while short-term traders are taking profits whenever Bitcoin nears 77K. Add in a record number of crypto hacks this April and those oil price spikes, and you get a market that's just not ready to break out yet. So, here's the bottom line. The stock market is riding a wave of strong earnings and AI hype, setting new highs every week. Crypto is still trying to find its footing, stuck under 80K, but full of potential if it can break out. And everyone's keeping one eye on oil prices and global tensions. If you remember just one thing, make it this. Stocks are booming because companies are making serious money. But Bitcoin and crypto, they're just waiting for that one big move. Stay smart, stay curious, and I'll catch you next week for another recap.